Navigating English. Weather or weather. Don't get lost in the storm. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to another episode of our journey into the world of English homonyms. In today's episode, we're sailing into the stormy waters of two often confused words: weather and weather. We're here to ensure you'll never get lost again when you use these words. In our first section, we're exploring the term weather. Weather is a noun, and it refers to the state of the atmosphere at a particular place and time as regards heat, cloudiness, dryness, sunshine, wind, rain, etc. For example, the weather today is sunny and warm. Moving on to our next homonym, weather. Weather is a conjunction, and it's used to introduce alternatives or to express a doubt or choice between alternatives. For instance, I don't know whether I'll go out or stay at home. The main difference between these two words lies in their usage. Weather pertains to climatic conditions, while weather is about choices or alternatives. They might sound alike, but their meanings are quite distinct. Now, let's put these words to the test with some practice sentences. 1. I'm not sure whether I should wear my raincoat. The weather forecast said it might rain later. 2. He wondered whether the weather would hold up for his hiking trip. And that's a wrap for today, language explorers. We've navigated the stormy seas of weather and weather, and you're now ready to confidently use these words in your English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these words in sentences and soon, you'll master them. Until next time, keep exploring and happy learning.